Rabbit pasteurellosis, commonly known as Snuffles, is one of the most prevalent bacterial diseases affecting rabbits worldwide. Whether you're a new rabbit owner, an experienced breeder, or simply someone interested in animal health, understanding this condition is crucial for ensuring the well-being of your furry companions. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore everything you need to know about rabbit pasteurellosis, from its causes and symptoms to effective prevention and treatment strategies. Let's dive into the essential facts and expert advice to help you keep your rabbits healthy and thriving. Pasteurellosis is caused by the bacterium Pasteurella multicida. This bacterium is highly contagious among rabbits and can spread rapidly in a colony or household setting. The classic form, often referred to as Snuffles, primarily affects the respiratory tract, leading to a range of symptoms that every rabbit caretaker should recognize. But the disease doesn't stop there. It can also impact other organs, making early detection and intervention even more important. First, let's talk about the causes of rabbit pasteurellosis. Pasteurella multicida is an opportunistic pathogen, meaning it often exists harmlessly in the nasal passages of healthy rabbits. However, when a rabbit is stressed, immunocompromised, or exposed to poor living conditions, this bacteria can multiply and trigger disease. Common stressors include sudden temperature changes, overcrowded housing, poor ventilation, and inadequate nutrition. Rabbits can also contract pasteurellosis through direct contact with infected animals, contaminated bedding, feeding equipment, or even human hands that have touched a sick rabbit. This ease of transmission is why outbreaks can occur suddenly and why biosecurity measures are so important. Recognizing the symptoms of Snuffles is vital for early intervention. The most prominent sign is a watery, thick, or milky discharge from the nose. This discharge can be accompanied by frequent sneezing, noisy breathing, and matting of the fur on the front paws, caused by rabbits wiping their noses. In more advanced cases, rabbits may develop conjunctivitis, leading to red, swollen eyes and excessive tearing. Some may experience labored or rapid breathing, a decrease in appetite, lethargy, and even fever. If the infection spreads, it can result in abscesses under the skin, middle ear infections, causing a head tilt, and even pneumonia, which can be life-threatening. It's important to note that Snuffles can sometimes be mistaken for other respiratory conditions, such as allergies, viral infections, or environmental irritants. However, the persistence of symptoms and the presence of nasal discharge are strong indicators of pasteurellosis. If you observe these signs, prompt veterinary attention is essential, as the disease can progress quickly and become much harder to treat. Now, let's discuss how to prevent rabbit pasteurellosis. Prevention begins with proper husbandry and biosecurity. Always provide your rabbits with clean, dry bedding and ensure their living area is well ventilated but free from drafts. Overcrowding should be avoided as it increases stress and the risk of disease transmission. Regularly clean cages, food bowls, and water bottles using disinfectants safe for animals. Quarantine new rabbits for at least 2 weeks before introducing them to your existing group to monitor for signs of illness. If you or anyone else handles sick rabbits, wash your hands thoroughly before touching healthy ones. Nutrition also plays a key role in prevention. Feed your rabbits a balanced diet rich in high-quality hay, fresh vegetables, and appropriate pellets to strengthen their immune system. Ensure they have constant access to clean water. Stress management is equally important. Avoid sudden changes to their environment or routine, and handle rabbits gently to minimize anxiety. Vaccination against Pasteurella multicida is available in some regions, though it is not universally practiced. Consult your veterinarian to determine if vaccination is appropriate for your rabbits, especially if you have a large colony or breed rabbits for show or sale. Let's move on to treatment options for Snuffles. Early intervention is critical. If you suspect your rabbit has pasteurellosis, consult a veterinarian experienced with rabbits. Diagnosis is typically based on clinical signs, but may be confirmed by cultures taken from the nasal discharge or abscesses. Treatment usually involves antibiotics, most commonly enrofloxacin, trimethoprim sulfa, or penicillin, prescribed by your vet. The course of antibiotics may last 2 to 4 weeks, and it's important to follow the full regimen, even if symptoms improve early on. Supportive care is also essential. Keep your rabbit's nose clean and remove any discharge gently with a damp cloth. Provide soft, palatable foods if your rabbit is reluctant to eat. Ensure they stay warm and hydrated, sometimes using a syringe to provide fluids if needed. In severe cases, hospitalization may be required for oxygen therapy, intravenous fluids, or surgical drainage of abscesses. It's worth noting that pasteurellosis can be a chronic condition. Some rabbits may become carriers, harboring the bacteria without showing symptoms, but still capable of infecting others. Relapses are common, especially during periods of stress or if underlying health issues are present. For this reason, ongoing monitoring and prompt attention to any signs of illness are crucial. When caring for rabbits with Snuffles, isolation from healthy animals is necessary to prevent the spread of infection. Disinfect their living space regularly and dispose of contaminated bedding and waste properly. Follow your veterinarian's advice regarding follow-up care and never attempt to treat pasteurellosis with over-the-counter medications or home remedies. They are rarely effective and may even harm your rabbit. Raising awareness about rabbit pasteurellosis is essential, not just for individual owners, but also for breeders, animal shelters, and anyone involved in rabbit care. Educate yourself and others about the importance of good husbandry, regular health checks, and responsible breeding practices. Stay informed about new research and treatment options as advances in veterinary medicine continue to improve outcomes for rabbits affected by this disease. In summary, rabbit pasteurellosis, or Snuffles, is a serious but manageable condition. By understanding its causes, recognizing the symptoms, implementing effective prevention strategies, and seeking prompt treatment, you can protect your rabbits from the dangers of this common disease. Remember, healthy rabbits are happy rabbits, and with proper care, you can ensure your furry friends enjoy long, vibrant lives. Thank you for joining us as we explored everything you need to know about rabbit pasteurellosis. Stay informed, stay proactive, and give your rabbits the care they deserve. For more practical advice and expert tips on rabbit health and smart agriculture, keep learning and sharing. Your rabbits and your peace of mind will thank you.